Hey friends, let's see if you got this expression solved correctly. So what we learned today is what it means when a number is right next to the parentheses without an operation or a symbol in between. So hopefully you have learned that it means to multiply. So if I'm going to solve this, now I need to decide, well, what do I do first? So my order, of operations, parentheses first, then exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. So if I look at my expression, I do have parentheses, so I'm going to solve what's in the parentheses first. Well, 5 minus 2 is 3. Making sure I rewrite everything but instead of 5 minus 2, I'm going to write 3. Well, now I have subtraction and multiplication. Well, what should I do first? Should I subtract first or multiply first? And my steps tell me to multiply first. So 9 times 3 is 27. Bringing down the 45 minus. Now we have 45 minus 27. And I'm going to solve that over here. I can't subtract 5 minus 7, so I have to regroup. So when we solve this expression, we get the number 18. Did you get it right? If not, what steps did you do incorrectly? Make sure you fix them before your practice.